Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shula. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. So guys, I am super excited today because my Samsung refrigerator is finally here. So if you've been watching my previous video, I just moved into this new construction home about 4 months ago, and I have been waiting for my Samsung smart refrigerator. So guys, in today's video, I would just like to share with you the reason why I got this Samsung family hub refrigerator. I've been wanting to get this for a long time. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, it was on back order. So I am going to be sharing with you later in this video some of the options it has, which includes the ability for me to watch TV while I'm cooking. Also, it has a digital calendar. I can also look up my favorite recipes while I'm in the kitchen. I can leave notes, for family members. I just love the fact that, I can connect this to my Wi-Fi. I can connect it to my phone. I can listen to music while I'm cooking. I can watch movies. I can watch YouTube videos. So as you can see the screen right there. So yeah, I am going to be sharing with you more about this touch screen right here towards the end of this video. So now that the refrigerator is here, I'm just gonna clean it up and try to connect it to my Wi-Fi and get it ready for use. So guys, I am going to give a review on this Samsung smart hub refrigerator. I've only had it for like a week or two now, so maybe down the line, in 6 months time, I'll probably give you another review. So for right now, I love how it looks. I love the various compartments. As you can see, it's really big, so you can put a lot of stuff in here, which I really like about this refrigerator. And right there, if for things like my juices, I just leave that compartment up for my bottles to be able to stand right there. So far with the space, I really like how it looks. So it has this other compartment. That's where I'm going to be keeping stuff like my bottle water, and also for my son, he can easily reach that. So that's gonna be for his juice and his stuff. And there is the I think that's the freezer right there. So it has two compartments for the freezer. So the top part of that freezer, I'll probably be keeping stuff like my vegetables in there, and then the lower part I'll be keeping stuff like the meat or fish or whatever else I want to keep in my refrigerator. So yeah, right there will be for like vegetables. So I am really loving the space in the refrigerator right now. So like I mentioned, 6 months down the line, I'll probably update you on more after I have used the refrigerator. So guys, if you've watched this far, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit that like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to be cleaning this refrigerator. I'm going to go ahead and rush to the grocery store, get some grocery, and organize this refrigerator. So make sure to click that notification bell if you want to see how I organize this refrigerator. So another thing I love about this refrigerator is that it fits this space really well just for the aesthetics. It looks really good and it matches the rest of my appliances like my microwave in my kitchen area, and also the oven and the dishwasher. So guys, I am going to start cleaning the refrigerator. I usually use vinegar and some soap, to clean my refrigerator. So guys, right after I clean my refrigerator, I am going to share with you some of the smart features that comes with this refrigerator. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. One more thing I like about this refrigerator is that if it's left open for too long, it starts beeping just like that, which is really good because I have a toddler, and if he leaves the refrigerator open, I get to be notified. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this review for this Samsung Family Hub refrigerator. I am still going to be uploading some family pictures on there. There is a lot that this refrigerator has to offer right now that I am super excited to find out. So I'm still trying to figure it out myself. So probably in 6 months, I will be giving you more updates about what I think about the refrigerator. So if you've watched this far, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.